Shera Home Junction Super Deal up to 50% offer. Sundarapuram Crosscut Road, Coimbatore. உண்மை பேசும் மக்கள் ஊடகம் SS News Digital 24/7 connected.
So how is Tamil cinema treating you?
Just the beginning.
This is based on a true story. This entire film, is it so?
It's taken an inspiration from lots of sources.
So do you remember the point where you were like fully dressed up as Kumari and you like seeing yourself in the mirror for the first time as Kumari?
Yeah, I saw like a very beautiful version of, you know, those legendary actors that you've seen, and I was like, I somewhat look like that, and I felt so good. Cinema making is like crazy. Like it takes group of so many individuals coming together.
Yeah, but I also believe that you have a very close bonding with Samudrakani sir, as you mentioned on stage.
Genuine people we had, all of us were like genuine feelings towards each other, genuine care, genuine respect, which made me feel this way about him. Yeah.
Is really hard for you? Is it tearing up, like bursting out with tears, or doing a very funny scene, or being a very romantic person on screen? Which one is very tough?
You give me any challenge, I'll be like the first one to go for it, because I feel like that just lifts you up as a person, makes you improve, you know. Even if you fail, it's okay, but it makes you improve. But I think the next thing that I'm looking forward to very soon is being the protagonist in the film, being the only protagonist in the film, like a female lead.
Centric film, yeah.
I think it's going to happen very soon.
And I also got to know that you pick up Tamil, the lines and everything. You made sure that you learned them before you shot, actually.
It's a very new language to me, and considering it's not a regular Tamil language, it's the same Tamil.
Yeah.
So it's not even the regular words. It's like thurathin bodu mattum daan. It's very different, and the where you put the stress and where you don't put it, it's a lot of things.
It's actual Tamil writing Tamil, yeah.
Yeah.
So how is Tamil cinema treating you? Kanta padathukaga you're here. How is it?
I mean, I'm feeling amazing. I feel very welcomed from the trailer launch. So everybody's been very excited, and I'm also very excited, looking forward to the journey. So I think just the beginning.
Yes. Even we saw the trailer, it was like one actual good performance from a pretty girl. And we really liked the name Kumari, right? The character's name, yeah.
Ama.
It's going to just come around, kandipa.
I hope so.
So, do you remember any weirdest thing that you maybe had to fight apart from the thing that you entered cinema? You had to fight with your family members to do it. Maybe a small stupid thing that now might feel stupid for you, but back then it would have been, as a child, was a big thing for you.
Have Maggie for dinner. Like, I can't think of anything else. I mean, as a child, you fight for these kind of things itself. The only fight I've had with my parents was about the acting, entering into it, not entering into it. But otherwise, I think they've been very supportive towards my dreams, given me the space, and made me very independent.
We just want to talk more about the character and the Kanta, the film itself. But before that, you were a model in the beginning. From modeling to acting, how did that transition happen? And what was the cultural difference that you actually felt in acting?
As in, I never wanted to be an actor. Yeah, it was not in the cards of what is my career path going to be. I was actually studying business management in Mitibai. So while studying business management, you know, Mitibai College has lots of festivals, kada.
Yeah.
So for that, I went for some fashion show, and from there it picked up, joined a modeling agency, good pocket money. Some friends of mine said, "You look good, go for it." So I said, okay. And I started enjoying being in front of camera a lot more. Doing much more brands. I started enjoying just the fact that I can be in front of camera all day. So I kind of fell in love with camera then. But still, like, I never thought of acting until I think I started doing TVCs. That's not like proper bit of acting, but I think that's like an inch of the beginning, you know,
Yeah.
where the director, I did a TVC for Cadbury, where he was like, you have something very naturally in you, go for it. I'm like, what? I don't want to go for acting. Chala, I mean, I'm very scared of it.
Uh-huh.
So he's like, go for it, just go try. And from there, I thought about it, and I was like, yeah, I mean, I love being in front of camera. What if this is my destiny? And yeah, from there I went for it and waited for the right opportunities to happen. It took a lot, so but yeah, here I am.
So talking more about Kanta, it is very nice that in a very short span you've been placed in the right, projects, and to see yourself in Kanta and with a little of experience that you've got, it is so nice. So it must be challenging for your own self to be playing Kumari, right?
Yeah, I mean, like I mentioned in the trailer launch, challenging it wasn't as much because Selvaya wanted to cast a girl who resonates something with Kumari. That you will know after 14th. But that's a strong belief that I had. So when he met me, he knew instantly, and I think it was very easy to take over Kumari, the way she behaves, the way she feels, the way she thinks, or the way she enacts emotions. It was just I had to be myself. And obviously adding a touch of the vintage era was the difficult part. But I think, we watched a lot of videos of Savitri ma'am and Sridevi ma'am and, lots of these actors. And I think because of that, we were able to get a good balance. Yeah.
That must be an interesting and a challenging part for you to play the older version of the characters, right? 1950s, how would an actress look like?
Yeah.
How will their makeup be?
Yeah.
The performances were entirely different back then.
It was very intrigued. Like, I mean, obviously as an audience, we see like one frame and we're like, wow, but so much goes into it, the color frames, the color palette, the makeup, the hair, what bindi to put, what did these actresses wear, how do they act, or how do they dress, how do they stay
Carry
amongst
themselves.
people, carry themselves, yes. So yeah, a lot goes into it.
Into it, exactly. So do you remember the point where you were like fully dressed up as Kumari and you like seeing yourself in the mirror for the first time as Kumari?
Yeah, I think it was the day of the look test in Chennai. First time I dressed up in a green sari and I looked at myself, and yeah, I saw like a very beautiful version of, those legendary actors that you've seen, and I was like, I somewhat look like that, and I felt so good because I think it's very difficult to get into the vintage look. It doesn't just come easily. But yeah, I think we made it happen.
So you just enjoyed that version of yourself.
I enjoyed it a lot, definitely.
Lovely. Also, there were news that this is based on a true story, this entire film. Is it so?
No. I mean, like Selvaya said that day, that during the trailer launch, I think he communicated it that it's taken an inspiration from lots of sources, and it's not particularly one person's story, but multiple, inspirations that he's had, and of course an idea of his own that he's combined it into such a beautiful story. So yeah, it's that.
It's not just one story, it is many.
it's a lot of inspirations, but mainly his own creation.
Okay. So about your parents and family, since you don't belong to a family where cinema is a part of them left. Yeah. We're just audience. So about the family, how do they react to your, gigs of doing work in media and then your film venture? What was their response?
I mean, because I was studying business management, suddenly taking this up was a task because I come from a traditional Indian family background, and nobody in the world, like nobody in my family generation has ever been into cinema. So it was very new for them, and my parents were like, no, you're not doing it. So it was a fight. I had to fight my way through it. But my only thing was, I don't want to be 50, look back, think that I could do it, but I didn't go for it. Okay, I'll go for it. If it works, works. If it doesn't work, doesn't work. But I want to try. Like, I believe in chasing dreams and going for it, and that's what I did. So, but now, thankfully, they're very supportive and very proud, and I respect that a lot.
But personally, how has your opinion changed about the cinema industry itself? Like, What perception did you have earlier and what do you have right now?
I mean, I think before I used to see films as an audience. Now I'm not able to see it as an audience. I see it as an actor. I'm like, oh, he acted like this. Oh, wow, he's doing this. Oh, wow. Okay, the body language. I'm observing all the actors. And I think once you get into this space, you can't really go back to being a full audience where you just shut your brain and you're just enjoying the film. So I think that used to be the case back then where I used to just chill. But now I have to be like, okay, wow, this is beautiful, that is beautiful. These thoughts are different now.
That is like, okay, that's really deep. Maybe as an audience, when we watch a film, there's nothing much to be cared of. Just if the film is good, if the scenes are working out for us personally. But from an actor's point, yeah, it hits differently.
Yeah, it's so much. I mean, I'll tell you a story. Like, my parents came to watch like one of the scenes in Kanta. They flew down from Aurangabad and they were sitting, and then starting, they were enjoying a lot. They were like, wow, 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 very nice, very nice. And the same scene, we are doing it 10 times, 5 times. Different angles are there. There's wide, there's close up, there's, there's back angle and everything. And my mom was like, you guys take one like 30-second scene so many times. I'm like, mama, it takes so much time. Like, you watch it in 2 hours and it finishes. But cinema making is like crazy. Like, it takes group of so many individuals coming together.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So many crafts, so many people working behind the picture.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yeah. But I also believe that you have a very close bonding with Samudrakani sir, as you mentioned on stage. You referred him as your dad. That kind of a respect you probably give to him. How did that bond develop
through the film? Yeah, through the making of the film. You'll understand when you watch it. But yeah, I think it's the first film I know with many to work on, but one of those first where I was grateful to get the opportunity of such people who genuinely are rooting for each other. Like, I'm like, Kani sir, go do it, do it amazingly. And he's like, do it like this, make it amazing. You can do this, Everyone's supporting each other. Everyone's motivating each other. And you don't get to see that often in today's generation, like wherever, regardless of the industry. I think that support is so beautiful. So he's always been that for me, and he's always also given me lots of advices. He has so much of experience. He's so like multi-talented, and I'm like, how do you do so many things at one time? But I think he's so good. But yeah, genuine people we had, all of us were like genuine feelings towards each other, genuine care, genuine respect, which made me feel this way about him. Yeah.
In the trailer, we got to see only the trailer. So from the trailer that we've watched, everyone's performance is like, okay, I have to be good in this place. I mean, it's not intentionally you want to prove that you're better than the other, but poti nadichirukanga solra madri, everyone has done their, best in the possible ways. One thing that I was able to feel is you were never feeling as a newcomer in that place. You were properly gelling and fitting in the space.
Yeah.
So, any personal moment where you felt, okay, I'm proud of my own self for being here and doing this so well after any scene that you've completed?
Yeah, I mean, there is one very important scene of Kumari, and after completing, the entire set like got up and clapped for me, which was a very proud moment as a newcomer, especially because I was like, hey, this makes you feel good and it's motivating you, and all these people who are the legends of acting are like clapping for you. That means you did really well.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that was that moment.
What part of acting is really hard for you? Is it tearing up, like bursting out with tears, or doing a very funny scene, or being a very romantic person on screen? Which one is very tough?
I love all of it. I don't think it's tough.
Which one is
I
challenging?
would say challenging. Yeah, I love a challenge. So I love that word challenge. I don't look at it the way other people look at it. I love challenges, and you give me any challenge, I'll be like the first one to go for it, because I feel like that just lifts you up as a person, makes you improve, Even if you fail, it's okay, but it makes you improve. So yeah, I don't think it's challenging. I'm in love with acting, I'm in love with cinema, I'm in love with camera, being in front of camera, and I think And I hope camera loves me back. So,
It will. So you've just begun in the industry and you started loving what you're doing. What more do you want to do? Like, do you have any personal preferences or interests that you think will be exciting for you to do in the future?
there is so much more to do. I don't know what to choose from, but I think the next thing that I'm looking forward to very soon is being the protagonist in the film, being the only protagonist in the film, like a female-led
Centric film, yeah.
film. So I think it's going to happen very soon.
Have you been approached with stories of that kind?
Maybe.
Okay, it's very hard to get news from you. It's like, okay, she's not spilling the tea, no. So how are things generally? Because I am like so impressed with whatever your journey is. It's very interesting. So do you remember your first magazine, being featured in a magazine as a model, cut to being introduced in a Tamil cinema on a big banner with an amazing cast and crew for a good film? Like, you see the difference here and the travel and the journey behind this?
Yeah, I mean, that's also the case, but I would also point out the girl, I mean, who didn't know where her life was going to take her. Modeling though obviously came later on, but like before that, the reason I ended up doing business manager was because I was like, I don't know if this is what I want to do, but I'm going to leave it to God and let him decide what should come into my life. So as of now, let me be safe and do business management. So to that girl who was not sure where life was going to take her, to now, I think has been a beautiful journey. And for me, I believe in the timing of God and all the destiny stuff. So I think it's all that. Everything happens at the right time.
So you feel complete right now?
I feel like I'm living my dream. Yeah.
So have you watched Tamil films?
Yes, I've watched a couple of them, yes.
And I also got to know that you pick up Tamil, the lines and everything. You made sure that you learned them before you shot, actually.
I actually dubbed for the film, so it came out 90% correct. And the 10% that was like, here and there, because obviously it's a very new language to me, and considering it's not a regular Tamil language, it's a Saint Tamil.
Yeah.
So it's not even the regular words. It's like thurattin bodu mattum dan. It's very different, and the where you put the stress and where you don't put it. So it's a lot of things.
It's actual Tamil, writing Tamil, yeah.
Yeah.
Not the colloquial one.
But I'm glad I tried and I went for it, and that's, I think, enough satisfaction for it.
So the original thing is your dubbed one?
I'm saying I tried to dub, but it didn't work out because we wanted that 100% perfection. So, yeah.
No, but then you've tried.
Yeah, I mean, that's all I think I wanted as a person that I am, that I just want to give it my 100%. If it doesn't work out, it's okay.
No, but this is very interesting because amongst people whose lip sync isn't even right, someone who's spoken the lines right and tried their best to do the dubbing as well is a big win. So, yeah.
I dubbed the entire film and it didn't work out. So, but it's okay. I think next time.
Any 5 random Tamil words that you pick up?
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க, நல்லா இருக்கு, எங்க இருக்கு, சாப்பிட்டாச்சா. I mean, I know all the
any difficult
lines.
word that you
மன்னிச்சிடுங்க, நன்றி, ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. All these are like basic.
That's
words.
it. Basic is sorted. You can greet a person. Ennache.
Yeah, all these words I know.
So, wishing you big success and your debut film in Tamil. முதல் என்ட்ரி கொடுக்குறீங்க, அது ஒரு மாசான படத்துல கொடுக்குறீங்க. You have a long way to go. All the very best. We love you so much, and yeah, all the very best.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Shera Home Junction Super Deal up to 50% offer. Sundarapuram Crosscut Road, Coimbatore. உண்மை பேசும் மக்கள் ஊடகம் SS News Digital 24/7 connected.